Hello everyone. This is Shirin Tahashildaar, B.Ed first year student teacher, KLS College of Education, Ankola. In this video, we will going to learn 8th standards chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. In our previous classes, we are familiar with the topic of curves. A plane curve is a curve that lies in a single plane or a plane surface like paper. A plane curve may be closed or open, as you can see in the below images. With the help of that simple closed curve, we will going to define polygon. A polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by three or more straight sides that meet in pairs in the same number of vertices and do not intersect other than at these vertices. Let's study the path of a polygon. The end points of the side of polygons are called vertices. When naming a polygon, its vertices are named in consecutive order either clockwise or anti-clockwise. In the below figure, there are 4 pairs of consecutive sides in this polygon. Now, what is a diagonal of a polygon? A diagonal of a polygon is any segment that joins two non-consecutive vertices. Figure shows 5-sided polygon QRSTU. Segments QS, SU, UR, RT and QT are the diagonals in this polygon. Now, let's move towards the classification of polygons. Polygons first fit into two general categories, concave and convex. A polygon is concave if there are 2 points somewhere inside it for which a segment with this as its endpoints cut at least 2 of the side of the polygon. A polygon that is not concave is called convex polygon, as you can see in these images. Polygons are also classified by how many sides or angles or vertices they have. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. A pentagon is a 5-sided polygon. A hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. So on, the n number of polygons exist. Now, what is a regular polygon? When a polygon is both equilateral and equiangular, it is referred to as a regular polygon. For a polygon to be a regular, it must also be convex, as you can see in below shapes. Let's move towards the sum of interior angle of a polygon. Sum of the interior angle of a polygon is equals to n-2 into 180 degree. Note, sum of exterior angle of any polygon is always 360 degree, and the sum of the interior angles of a polygon can be more or less than 360 degrees, which can be calculated by the formula given above. Next topic is the main topic, quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides. The word quadrilateral comes from 2 Latin words, quadri, which means a variant of 4, and lateral, which means side. Properties of quadrilateral: with 4 sides, with 4 angles, with 4 vertices, with 1 pair of diagonals. Let's study the interior and exterior angle sum properties of quadrilateral. Interior angle sum property. According to this property, the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Exterior angle sum property. According to this property, the sum of the exterior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree, as you can observe in the diagrams. Quadrilaterals are there of many shapes, as you can see in the below image. It might be parallelogram, it might be rectangle, rhombus and square. Types of quadrilaterals. Let's start with rectangle. A rectangle is a 4-sided shape where every angle is a right angle, that is 90 degree. In a rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. The diagonals bisects each other. The diagonals are congruent. The second one is rhombus. A rhombus is a 4-sided shape where all sides have equal length. Also, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Another interesting thing is that the diagonals, dashed lines in our second figure of a rhombus, bisects each other at right angles. The third one is square. A square has equal sides and every angle is a right angle, that is 90 degree. A square can be thought of as a special case of other quadrilaterals, for example, a rectangle but with adjacent sides equal. A parallelogram but with adjacent side equal and the angles all 90 degree. A rhombus but with angles all 90 degree. Fourth one is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel. Also, opposite angles are equal, that is, angle A is same as angle B. The opposite sides are equal, the adjacent angles are supplementary and the diagonal bisects each other, but they are not equal. It is the parent of some other equilaterals which are obtained by adding restrictions of various kinds. A rectangle is a parallelogram but with all four interior angles fixed at 90 degree. Fifth one is trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral which has at least one pair of parallel sides. It is called an isosceles trapezium if the sides that aren't parallel are equal in length and both angles coming from a parallel side are equal. The last type is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral whose four sides can be grouped into two pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. Two pair of adjacent sides of a kite are equal in length. One pair of opposite angles, that is, the angle one that are between the sides of unequal length, are equal in size. Here, one diagonal bisects the other. Diagonals intersects at right angles. And this ends our chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. Thank you for watching.